Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to disable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on the Bybit app with simple steps. If you want to turn off this feature for any reason, whether to change your device or update your security settings, follow these steps with me. First, open the Bybit app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the profile icon at the top corner of the screen. Then tap on the settings icon and go to the security section from the settings menu. Next, look for the two-factor authentication 2FA option and tap on it. If you have enabled two-factor authentication via Google Authenticator or SMS, you will need to enter the verification code that will be sent to your email or phone. In this case, I will enter the code for my account and Google Authenticator. After entering the verification code, confirm the process. Once done, two-factor authentication will be disabled, and you will receive a notification about your updated security settings.